Hey everyone, good afternoon. So today I'm going to do a Boilermaker on a 14 by 14 canvas. I'm going to use the small heavy bottom shot glass and of course a cup big enough to not only cover the canvas but this to be able to sink down into. So today's colors are going to be Grumbacher Phthalo Green, Folk Art Aqua Flash, Lucas Bronze, Deco Art Teal Metallic, and some black with silicone. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the black with the silicone. Follow that with the Deco Art Teal Metallic. And then I'm going to go with the Aqua Flash, the Lucas Gold Bronze, and the Grumbacher Phthalo Green. And I'm going to repeat those colors again. Teal, Aqua Flash, Gold Bronze, and the Phthalo Green. Give a little squirt down the middle. And I'm using just the base paint. And that mix for the base paint as well as our bottled paints are down below in the description box. So that should be enough paint to cover my canvas. I'm going to pop my cup right down in. Good old Boilermaker. A lot of people ask me, what is a Boilermaker? So, if you know anything about bartending, it's usually when you drop a shot of whiskey down into a beer. My dad did those when I was growing up as a kid, so I've always known what a Boilermaker was. But now I do it with paint. So I like to let that set a second, and then I'll start letting some white out. I do not spray my cup for this technique. So I like to let the color out and move it around the canvas. Some cool cells going on already. I'll leave that set there for a second. I'm going to give it a quick torch. Just pop some air bubbles. And then I'll move it around on the canvas. I like to get all my paint moving together. And we should have just enough paint to cover this canvas without wasting too much. I have my camera closer. We had done a live video on the Brush Posse the other night, and I haven't moved it back up. So thought I'd do a couple of small canvas videos today and make use of that close-up for you. Just want to get that to run over this edge before I move it. It's very colorful, very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and torch again. And we should be able to bring some cells up in these shaded areas because there is color underneath there. So I'm going to start over here. My torch is running out of fuel. So I'll put you on pause while I fill that and I'll be right back. She was really empty. Let me move my cup here. So we'll continue to torch. Bring some cells up there. You can see them coming. There we go. I like this negative space coming through here. It kind of breaks it all up. And the gold bronze is just peeking through, so it'll give us some shine when it dries. This little trail here is cute. I think I can get a couple more cells on there. So it looks really cool right there. But I think that's it. I'm not going to go fishing for any more because I'm pretty happy with it. I'll give you just a quick close-up. I don't know how much closer I need to get, huh? So it's very cool. That trail is just so cool. So that's going to be it for this one. Check out all the links below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that like and leave a comment. Hit the bell for notifications. Check out all the links below for our Amazon shop for your paint pouring supplies, our Etsy shop, the Stone Coat Art Coat Resin Code. Join our group, the Garage Posse, on Facebook. Check out my art page on Facebook, Christina Welch Art. We have so much exciting things happening right now, and we're going to be bringing them all to the channel. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.